Normally, surfaces attract dust, water, or stains when they are exposed to the environment. This makes the surfaces dirty and less efficient. However, many plants and animals have developed their own natural ways to keep their surfaces clean. The best example is the leaves of the lotus stay clean because water droplets roll off and carry away dirt. This is called lotus effect. Scientists studied these natural cleaning mechanisms and made use of this to prepare new materials. This field is called bio-inspired materials science. Nature has spent millions of years developing smart ways to keep surfaces clean. Scientists learn from these natural designs and use them to create self-cleaning, anti-fogging, anti-icing, and dirt-resistant materials. Lotus plants often grow in muddy water. Their leaves remain remarkably clean. How does it work? The lotus leaf surface contains microscopic and nanoscopic bumps. These structures make the surface superhydrophobic, that is extremely water repellent. Water forms nearly spherical droplets instead of spreading out. As the droplets roll off the leaf, they pick up the dust and dirt particles, cleaning the surface naturally. Scientists mimic the lotus effect to develop self-cleaning glass, self-cleaning paints and coatings, water-repellent textiles, anti-fouling and anti-corrosion surfaces, solar panels that resist dust accumulation. This is the importance of lotus effect in nanotechnology.